Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean face in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now, all you will need to do is just to create a new project. So here in Filmora, you will need just to go to File, New Projects, or you can simply open your existing project. Then you will be needing to add the elements that you want to clean the face. So in my case, I'm just going to use this stock footage that I have. For example, this one. And basically to clean the face, all we need to do is to start like simply creating or adding some effect that we can try. So here we have our video, and basically now we will be needing to go to the effects menu. So in the video effect, you will have like these mini effects. There is this trending one, glitch, retro, scan, closing effect, lights, etc. So we want like to have just like some beautifying effects. So I'm just going to search for the beautify, and here you will find like a beauty effect, and you will find many. So there is this beautify that will change like the skin tone and etc. And then you will just drag and drop it into the video. Now we will be needing just to go to the effects. Then you will need just to choose where you want it to be added. So I'm just going to Control Z, and basically I want it to be in a rectangle way, and here we add it like here, and basically you will need just to choose and add your face or your element face, and then we will start like seeing the blur strength. You can see the extend, and basically those are the masks. And from here you can start like either smoothing the effects, and as you can see there is already some changes. Even if there are only some smooth changes, you can like start like uh, choosing whatever you like. So basically you can have anything that you can add. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.